Gold and silver plummeted sharp yesterday. We have seen a good drop in silver. It has erased all the gains from the day before, and gold has also dropped sharp towards 2708 before recovering and now trading at 2723. Now, this is what happens when things get overbought here. I have mentioned several times in my recent updates. Yesterday also I have mentioned that gold is trading overbought and there is a possibility of a slight reversal, and that is what has happened. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today? Will it crash more, or now the drop is done and we are looking forward to a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. And this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and arrive at a level at which you can take a trade, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first gold, followed with silver. Watch it. Now, first on the hourly chart, see what a good drop it is seen. This was a stronger bull run it has shown since long, and that is what I have discussed yesterday. That see the highs are getting a bit lower here, and this suggests that the bulls are exhausted, and that is what has happened. We have seen a sharper correction, but now you can see this has come down to a support zone, and this was the last support zone which we had seen at around 2700, and thus this is going to be the support today as well. Now see the moving averages have crossed over on the hourly charts, and this is happening after a stronger run here. See, this was the last time when we have seen a crossover here on the hourly charts. Now see, this is 1 hour charts, and on 1 hour charts we have seen such a stronger run, and it has shown this crossover. Now what is happening, prices are trying to retrace towards the 20 and 50 period moving average, which means today again 2730 is going to be one good resistance, then 2736, and then 2740-42. These are the three key levels, and only bullishness in gold is if you see it trading above 2740-42 levels. As long as it stays below 2740-42, you should not treat this as, this is very very clear. It should be treated as a retracement, not a reversal, as long as it stays below 2740-42 zone. See, stochastic has dropped a bit, while MACD, if you look at after the sharp drop, look at the formation here. uh, After this drop it has retraced, and now this is the second round of drop. It could start to retrace here, and when you see the last few drops on the hourly charts, it appears at this point always it starts to either reverse or retrace. So if it starts to reverse from the current levels, in fact, even if it moves towards this, it can break past the preceding highs. Possibility is there. RSI rising from the bottom, coming to 2 hour chart. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, the moving averages have just converged, not yet crossed over. I will say it has erased some of the gains, but I will not treat this as a complete reversal. I will not treat that gold has completely turned bearish as of, though the momentum, if you look at the momentum what we had seen in last couple of days, it was a bit aggressively bullish, and then suddenly a U-turn has happened, and now the momentum is a bit diminished on the upside. When you see bulls are certainly not appearing to be that active here. Yes, we are looking at moderate rise. Look at the drop was sharp, the rise is bit gradual. This also indicates that this is under retracement, and possibly it could try to move towards this before reversing again on the downside. The stochastic rising, MACD is still trading bearish. It is trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. RSI is also trying to bounce back. Coming to 3, the observation is more or less same. See, it has taken the support from the 50 period moving average and trying to bounce back. This is reversal sign. First green candle, second green candle may appear here, which can take it towards 2730 to 2736 levels, and only if it trades about 2740-42, we can treat this as bullish here. Also look at this, it has just tried to breach this red line. Failing to do so, we have seen this reversal. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD is, and you can notice that it is showing a bit of convergence here, but I will say because this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels, even if it tries to converge, means couple of greener candles or more, possibly again it can follow with a drop here. So what we are observing right now is a retracement, and specifically today 2730, 2740 is going to be a critical zone. RSI has dropped here, coming to 4 hours. The observation is more or less same here. 20 period moving average giving it a good resistance, and thus we have to be cautious at least till 2730, and 2740 zone is not taken. Stochastic oversold trying to bounce back. MACD has crossed over at the top, and it is trading with divergence, trading bearish. Candle sizes have flattened here. So a bit of convergence means couple of greener candles and then followed with a drop is what you can expect here. RSI dropped here, coming to day. Now if you see on the daily chart, see this is the channel in which it is trading, and this time if you notice, this time it is reversing from slightly lower levels than the highs here. So it is not that it cannot hit the highs here, it can hit the highs. But if you notice here, we have seen a sharp swing candle, and now the day is starting on a flat note. Now, if you look at the span of this complete movement here, you will find that the median here for this movement is 27, 34, 36 levels. So once we buy at 27.30, we have to be careful at 27, 34, 36. This is going to be prime resistance level. Beyond this 40, 42, if these two are taken, possibility exists high that it can in fact keep moving upwards and hit the highs. The stochastic dropped here, while if you look at MACD, it is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. It can still rise continuously. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Now looking at, and before we give you to the levels, before we come to the levels here, you should notice that on the 15 minutes chart there is a slight gap left on the downside. This one point is very important. So before we look into the charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to now buy at 27.28 levels itself. When you see the lower price is about 27.28, initiate a buying position, expect 27.32, 27.34, 36. And then if it breaks past 27, 34, 36, stay bullish for 40, 42. Once 40, 42 zone is taken, just stay bullish. It is not going to come back down again. We can look forward to higher highs. It can keep moving towards 27, 50, 52 and higher level. As far as my opinion is concerned, such a stronger run I do not expect today. Possibility of a moderate bullish movement or a retracement is what you can expect. Chances of a movement towards 27, 30, 40 zone is high. Now on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 27.18 levels, where you can expect 27.14.15 as the first target, 27.810 as the next, and then 27.0204. Once these three levels are taken, you can wait for 26.90 and 26.84 levels as well. These are going to remain the prime support, and these are going to be achievable levels as well. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Now see silver on the hourly charts. First observation here, 33.50 levels proven out to be again a very good support. This was the last time this Monday itself we have seen it getting support from this zone, and it has seen this rise here. Again it has taken the support and it is trying to bounce back. Second thing is the moving averages, which are bullish here, is now crossed over, and these are trading, and thus it is going to get maximum resistance here now again at 34, 34, 20, 30 levels. These are the two levels which are going to play a prime role today. Any breakout beyond 34, 20, 30 should confirm a reversal, and a further rise towards 34.50 can be expected. Stochastic is trying to drop from the overbought zone, while if you look at the MACD, first drop, then the retracement, second drop, it could retrace. And yes, this is coming at a slightly lower levels, but also notice, see, when it was bullish it has hit plus 60 levels, and if it is turned bearish, if it moves towards minus 60, where it is going to be, means the prices can in fact move lower below 32 and $30 levels as well. But right now I can say that the stance is not that bearish. Be mindful of this. RSI oversold, trying to recover. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, we have seen a sharper drop here, and now it is trying to reverse. Also see moderate greener candles. The drop was sharp, the rise is bit gradual. See here it has shown a stronger bullishness, then the bears have got heavier here or stronger here, and now the bulls are you can say this is just a very cautious retracement which is happening right now. And that is why I say 34, 34, 20, 30, as long as it stays below this zone, you should not be treating silver as bullish. Only and only if it trades above 34, 20, 30, you can say now the bulls are taking over. You can expect 34.50 and higher levels. Stochastic rising here, MACD is bearish, RSI running flat. On the 3 hour charts, if you see, similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts. A reversal sign has appeared. It is forming a nice formation here, where it could retrace towards this zone and hitting the resistance. Possibly this could reverse. So yes, this is under retracement, not a reversal. Drop is sharp, rise is gradual. This could try to move towards this zone as well, hitting the zone where we can say it could try to reverse. So under retracement as of now. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD is bearish. RSI has dropped here, it's staying flat. On the 4 hour charts, likewise, see two bullish candles. And you can also notice that it is at the 20 period moving average, and the bullishness has got diminished here. You can see the candle sizes, and this suggests that till 34 at least we have to be cautious with the buys. You can buy at $34. But then with the extra caution towards 34.15, 34.25 levels, what we can expect is what is this head and shoulders here, and then possibility of such a move exists strong. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD has crossed over at the top. Trading bearish candles have flattened but not yet reversed. See, this crossover has come at an extremely higher level, so a bit of convergence followed with a drop is what you can expect. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see, first of all, look at these two candles, almost flat bottom. Second thing is too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average calls for it to converge. But right now I can say it is finding a very good support here till towards 33.50 levels, 33.40 levels, and see, a possibility of a retracement cannot be denied. However, it is trying to recover as of now. And as long as today, see, now look at the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise. It could retrace, it can move towards 20-50 period moving average, but I think it is going to be difficult for today for it to move or deliver such a stronger move. But yes, these are markets. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD is still bullish here. It is trying to converge now. And if you look at the RSI, this has come out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, you can buy here at $34 levels. When you see the lower prices above 34, you can buy. Expect 34.15, 34.25 as the first target levels. And see, 34.15 first target, 34.25, 34.30 as the second target levels. And then if it breaks 34.30, stay bullish for 34.50, 34.80 levels. And beyond that, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to $35 and plus levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 33.50 level. And those who want to jump in a little early, you can sell at 33.70. Expect 33.50 as a very good support, 33.50, 45 zone. Below this, you can expect 33.20, 33 and 32.80 levels as well. And if it draws below 32.80, we are waiting for 32.40 levels. Anything and everything is possible. See, such a stronger rise we had seen, almost 6%. It can erase some of the gains from here. Take your trades accordingly. See you again before the year session with more updates. Like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.